Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, click on Home button and go into Devices settings. Following that, click on Apps and Notifications. Select Advanced at the bottom and then click on Default Apps. Finally, you can tap on one of those categories, in my case, Browser app. Now tap on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!